Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing up. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be in a situation where, for some reason, your YouTube Recap isn't actually showing up. You may have already followed all the steps and gone to your profile page, but you still don't see the YouTube Recap section anywhere. The first thing to keep in mind is that YouTube Recap is released on a rolling basis. This means it's not available to every single user at the same time. In most cases, it will automatically appear after some time, so patience is important here. Next, make sure your YouTube app is fully updated. Open your App Store or Play Store, search for the YouTube app, and check if there's an update available. If you see the update option, install it and then reopen the app. Updating the app is one of the most important steps because older versions may not support the recap feature properly. If you still don't see it in the app, you can also try accessing YouTube Recap through the browser. Open any browser on your device and go to youtube.com/recap, then sign into your account and see if your recap shows up there. Sometimes the feature appears on the web version before it shows inside the app. If none of these methods work, it's most likely because the feature hasn't rolled out to your account yet. Give it a little more time, keep your app updated, and check again later. That usually resolves the issue, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing up. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.